In today's video, we're going to take a deep look at the 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross, a compact SUV that continues to impress with its balance of practicality, comfort, and style. This year, Toyota has refined both the look and the feel of the Corolla Cross, making it even more appealing to urban families and solo drivers alike. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Corolla Cross comes with a bold and slightly more muscular front fascia compared to its previous models. The grille is now sleeker with black accents, flanked by narrow LED headlights that give it a sharper, more confident appearance. The body lines flow smoothly along the side, giving a refined yet athletic profile. Wheel options range from 17-inch steel to 18-inch alloys, depending on the trim, and the SUV stands with a well-proportioned height that offers good ground clearance without looking bulky. The rear features updated tail lamps that are seamlessly integrated into the tailgate with a chrome strip that adds an extra layer of premium feel. Moving to the interior, the 2025 Corolla Cross offers an inviting cabin with soft-touch materials and excellent ergonomics. The dashboard layout is clean, with a floating 10.5-inch infotainment display that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster is customizable and easy to read, providing key information right where the driver needs it. The front seats are comfortable for long drives with heating options available in higher trims, and the rear seats offer decent legroom and headroom for adults. The cargo space is competitive in its class, with split folding rear seats that expand the practicality for luggage, groceries, or travel gear. Toyota has also improved sound insulation this year, reducing road and wind noise significantly. Under the hood, the Corolla Cross offers a choice of two powertrains. The base model features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 169 horsepower and mated to a CVT transmission, delivering smooth and efficient driving in city and highway conditions. For those looking for more fuel economy and cleaner emissions, the hybrid variant includes a 2.0-liter engine paired with electric motors, pushing out a combined 196 horsepower. The hybrid system feels responsive with solid low-end torque and impressive fuel efficiency, reaching up to 42 miles per gallon combined. The ride quality remains composed thanks to the McPherson strut front suspension and torsion beam rear setup, and the steering feels light but accurate, perfect for urban maneuvering. All-wheel drive is available on select trims, offering added confidence in slippery or uneven conditions. When it comes to safety and technology, Toyota has equipped the 2025 Corolla Cross with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes pre-collision warning, adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, lane tracing assist, and blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert. Higher trims also offer a 360-degree camera system, front and rear parking sensors, and a head-up display. In terms of pricing, the base model starts around $25,000, offering solid value for money with its standard features. The mid-level trims with added tech and comfort features range between $28,000 to $30,000, while the fully loaded hybrid AWD version can go up to $34,000. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross is a well-rounded compact SUV that brings together Toyota's reliability, fuel efficiency, and practical design into a stylish package. Whether you're a small family or a commuter looking for something dependable and modern, this vehicle deserves a close look. Thanks for watching, and